Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 12 Pickford Crescent in Cellardyke. If you are looking for your next family home in a sought after area that is beautifully presented and the advantage of stunning views, then number 12 is the home for you. You get to benefit from 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large driveway, so ample off-street parking, your own workshop space and beautifully landscaped gardens that allow you to take full advantage of the really peaceful, idyllic setting and of course your uninterrupted sea views. Wait until you see the standard of this property. It's just incredible. While being in a sought after location close to the harbour, beach, open water tidal pool, schooling, amenities, this home really does tick all the boxes. So I'm going to take you inside, show you everything that's on offer, of course those stunning views, and keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property number 12, and straight away you can see just how much space you get with this home. Not only have you got this large driveway, so ample off-street parking, but as I say, it's been extended as well, so it's giving you plenty of internal living space. Now you've got mature shrubs and plants along the border here, but where you have your chip driveway, it makes it really low maintenance, which is just perfect. Now for reference, you literally just head out that direction just there. You've got the post box and you can take a left down to the harbour, or you can keep heading up and you get to your schooling and convenience items. So brilliant location, and as I say, this is a sought after area. But this is the entrance to your property. Now you do have access down the side that takes you to your rear garden. Now what's great with this home, and I'm going to show you this before we do head inside, it's just through this door here is a workshop. It has light, it has power, Belfast sink, it's got ample storage, so that does make a brilliant workshop space, or even if you have a business perhaps, or even a craft room, it is just brilliant. But this is the size of your driveway. You really are spoilt with this home and just how much space you get. But let's head inside and start the tour. So you come into your entrance hallway. Now, as always, we're going to start upstairs because I want to save the best till last, and you'll see why shortly. But let's head straight upstairs. So don't forget, this is 4 bedrooms, all of which are on the upper level, and you've got this great upper landing which provides ample space, and it's lovely and bright also. So you've got a storage cupboard that houses a boiler here, a further storage cupboard just here. You've got light flooding in through your first Velux up here, but you actually have an additional one up here also as well. Again, just makes it lovely and bright. Now we're going to start in your main bedroom. And straight away you can see just how much space you get, ample floor area. You've got plenty of storage. You've got hanging and shelf storage all the way along, which is just perfect. You've got all of this floor area. But what makes this room absolutely fantastic is the view that you get. Isn't that just incredible? Uninterrupted, panoramic sea views right across the Firth of Forth and beyond. It's just incredible. And that is also a sneak peek at your garden, which we will come to shortly. But this is your main bedroom, brilliant size. Then you have another bedroom. This could easily be a nursery, single room, a working from home space, a walk-in wardrobe, but it's a really good size with further storage as well. So with this room, if you don't require all 4 bedrooms, you just make it work for you and your family. You then come into one of your bathrooms. So this is your family bathroom, 4-piece as well, again making it really practical for being a family home. So you've got a large enclosed walk-in shower. You've got a wash hand basin and WC. And then bath with 2 heated towel rails. So that's a great sized family bathroom. We then come into your next bedroom. And again, with this bedroom, you are absolutely spoilt with the view. Let me just show you that first, because it's just incredible. Something you will never get bored of waking up to. It's just fantastic. And especially on a day like today. Plenty of space with this bedroom as well. So you've got a double bed in here, ample floor space, and just look at that light flooding in. It's just incredible. And then again, you've got fitted storage. And then your final bedroom, again, kind of mirror image in terms of size. However, at present, this does have a single bed. It would also hold a double, just like next door. Again, you've got ample floor space with your same double fitted wardrobes. So great storage with this property, which you can see as we've gone throughout. So you're getting 4 bedrooms. And then between your storage cupboards and your fitted storage, you've got plenty of space with this family home. And I just love how bright it is. Now let's head downstairs and continue the tour. There is so many features down here that I cannot wait to show you. So back down to your entrance hallway, you've got storage under the stairs just here. Now, as I say, I'm going to save the best till last. You'll just have to wait. But this is your entrance hallway that just then naturally flows round. You've got a downstairs shower room down here as well, which is perfect if you do have guests visiting. They don't have to go to the upper level. You've got a wash hand basin, WC, and a further large walk-in shower and heated towel rail. Really contemporary, and I love the attention to detail with this home. You've got solid quality doors throughout. But I love as well the practicality. So you have this utility space, which is a brilliant size. You've got plenty of storage, area for your white good appliances, an additional sink. So actually you've got your sink here, your Belfast sink in the workshop, and then obviously a kitchen sink as well. So really practical, especially if you have young children or pets. You've got a cupboard just down here, which is a great size and again provides that further storage for you. But this is brilliant because then you can just close the door and contain any mess. Now this is another entrance that you can do into your property. So you do have a back door just here and then a kind of vestibule area, perfect for coats, shoes and boots. But again, it's the quality doors. You've got the glazed, so it allows that natural light to just flood through. Now this is one area of the home that I absolutely love. You come through these double doors and then you have a more informal sitting room area, which is just incredible. And of course, the views speak for themselves and your beautifully presented garden that you can look over as well. It's just a fantastic space, perfect for socialising with family and friends. It's a brilliant size. You can see that sun is beaming in. But this is such a brilliant space. And it's great having this additional reception room because the family can obviously spread out. I just love this. But I really am saving the best till last. So coming through, you've got your gorgeous open plan kitchen, living, dining space. I absolutely love this. I mean, there is so much for me to talk through with you, but I love how open plan it is. This really is the heart of the home and it is such a high standard as well. So within your kitchen, you have your integrated fridge and freezer. You've got ample worktop space with the contrasting tile splashback. You've got an integrated dishwasher, and I love this breakfast bar as well that you have, but still having plenty of storage with all your drawers and cabinets. You've got your oven, your 5-ring hob, but isn't this just stunning? I love the colours that have been used. You've got solid wood floor, and what's even better is perfectly positioned, again, to take full advantage of that view, because you really are spoilt with the prime location of this home. And again, that is an outlook to your garden, but there's a bit more to talk you through. So this is your dining space. So again, lovely and open plan, but this is great area for family, catching up at the end of the day. You've got your designer radiator as well, keeping with the contemporary feel. You've got your patio doors, which we will head out of shortly. But isn't this just a fantastic space? Again, you've got your quality glazed solid doors. And then this amazing living room space. You almost have your 2 reception areas. And then again, your designer radiator. And a lovely big window as well. Again, letting that natural light flood in. And what I love as well is the positioning, because you actually don't feel overlooked with this home, which is just amazing. But look at this for size. Isn't this just incredible? You've got the downlight as well, providing plenty of light. Isn't this such a brilliant space for socialising? And again, the attention to detail, you've got the low lights underneath the cabinets. Now you can see why I saved this until the end, because it is just stunning. Hopefully by now you're envisioning yourself and your family in here, making the absolute most of this home. But then what's even better is you get to step outside to your private garden and take full advantage of this peaceful, idyllic setting. There is so much to talk you through with your outdoor space. So you've got a large patio paved area. You can see you've got your alfresco dining. You've got a large patio area just here. You have got outdoor tap and outdoor power socket as well. Now this was the door at the entrance vestibule area, so that is technically your back door. What's great as well is you've got those big windows, and that's where we were standing, that gave you this great big view. You've got a brilliant sized garden actually as well. So yes, the property's been extended, but it's not actually ruined how much of a plot that you are getting. So you've got all of this later lawn area just here. Obviously this is a family home, so it's got the goals, so you can see that it takes a lot of kids' toys and perfect for playing. You've got one outdoor storage area, so a shed. What's even better as well is you've got your own gate that takes you direct, and you can take a left and you get to the Open Water Tidal Pool, take a right and you can head to the harbour. But that is brilliant, especially if you have perhaps got children you want to let them out to play, or even if you've got pets, just nip out there for a walk. So it's brilliant having that access. Look at this. It's just amazing. So much outdoor space while still getting so much space internally as well. Really well presented. You've got all your mature shrubs and plants going all the way around the border. So as you can see, you've got the kids' play area, and you've got additional outdoor storage as well with a further shed, which does go way back, perfect for bikes, paddleboard if you're going to be at the tidal pool. And then that is your access back round to the front. Now it is a gate just there, so it is fully enclosed, again making it perfect for a family home. But isn't this just stunning? It's a beautifully presented property. And then what's even better is even standing here, you can see those incredible views, and we are not overlooked whatsoever. And you know, buying and moving into this home, that is not going anywhere. That view is not going. So this will always be right on your doorstep. It's just incredible. Really are spoilt with this home. But let's have a recap of number 12. So that was the personal property tour for 12, Pickford Crescent, Cellardyke. If you are looking for a family home in a sought after area that is beautifully presented with stunning sea views, then this is the home for you. What's great is you benefit from 4 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, open plan kitchen, living, dining space, which is the real heart of the home, an additional living room space, a utility and ample storage throughout. Even better, you've got that large driveway, a workshop space, and these beautifully presented garden, allowing you to take advantage of the views. Plus you've got the gate to get direct access down to the harbour, the Open Water Tidal Pool. Really is a fantastic family home that is beautifully presented. You've seen the attention to detail throughout, not a thing that you need to do while being in a sought after location, because you've got everything on your doorstep. You've got the Open Water Tidal Pool, the harbour, the beach, the cafes. You've got the shop on Roger Street. You've got the large co-op with an Anstruther for further convenience items. You have the local primary school as well as Wade Academy for the high school. So it really does tick all the boxes in terms of location, while getting a beautifully presented family home with views that you know are going absolutely nowhere. What more could you ask for? If you want to get number 12 as your next family home, you can either click the link, message me directly, or feel free to call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at Fife Properties, take care.